Drag out the heartache, baby, you can make it quick. Really get it over with and just let me move on. Don't concern yourself with this mess you left for me. I can clean it up, you see, just as long as you're gone. And it's alright, I'll be fine, don't worry about this heart of mine.
I've been using the JoeCo Cello audio interface for the past 2 months. I've put it through a number of tests and recorded a variety of sound sources. In this 2-part video, you're going to hear my honest opinion on whether you should buy the cello and a bunch of audio samples. In part 1, this video, I'm going to give you a brief rundown of the cello's benefits and some of its flaws. In part 2, you can hear audio samples, see test graphs, and I'll even give a couple brief tutorials on how to use the JoeCo and its accompanying software. So, why would you want to drop $1,125 on the JoeCo Cello when there's other interfaces out there? For me, the standout features are simultaneous recording of the 2 microphone preamps along with the inserts. I don't know how common of a feature this is. It's the first time I've seen it. Usually when you insert effects onto a channel, that's it. And if you screw something up, oh well, you gotta re-record it or live with it. Well, with the cello, it records the raw, unprocessed signal along with the line input, which you can put the processed signal on, so that you have a safety net. And I think, especially for new audio engineers, this is very handy, especially for late night recordings when your ears might not be the best. If you mess something up, you can always go back to that original unprocessed recording. I think this feature is fantastic and it's one of the standouts. The next big feature is it features up to 80 decibels of gain. They say 78 decibels. Either way, this is an incredible amount of gain. Typically, when you're around $1,000 and under interfaces, you get about 60 decibels of gain, right? This is a good 20 decibels more, so it'll save you some money on buying a gain booster. In cello's marketing literature, they say mastering grade converters, and that's probably one of the other biggest benefits to this interface, is that if you're doing archiving or obviously you want to have a pristine recording, the converters in this interface are amazing. I did tests to confirm this. I did loopback listening tests. I was amazed by how many times I could run the signal, you know, through the AD to DA, and it still sounded great. I would say I got to around 7 or 8 loopbacks until it started to get noticeably different. Now, of course, the noise would increase, but the actual frequency response and everything was similar. So for archival purposes, you got 4 line inputs. Yes, even the front panel line inputs where it's going through the microphone preamp sound fantastic. I ran a few tests through them as well to confirm whether they were good or not. Absolutely. In fact, they may be even better than the back panel inputs.